Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Virgo. This is going to be a general reading. May or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates and leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of the other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So let's get started and let's look at what is your overall energy. So Virgo, your overall energy is the Ten of Cups. So the Ten of Cups is about a very happy relationship. This is something that you already have, or this is something that you're aspiring for. Maybe you've met somebody and you want a future with this person, or maybe you're already in a relationship which is very stable, long term, or it looks like that in October. Let's see what else do we have for you as your overall energy. We have the Queen of Pentacles. So yeah, you are kind of feeling very grounded, very secure in your relationship. You're very nurturing. I see that you may have a family with this person, but there is this energy of looking back at something, maybe looking back at the past, feeling like you missed out on some opportunity from the past. We're going to look at that and see why do you have that energy. Five of Cups, what are you looking back at? Six of Wands is here. This could be somebody from your past that you are missing, or you feel that you had an opportunity with somebody and you missed out on that opportunity with that person. Let me look at your person's energy. Okay, your person's energy is the Four of Swords. So there is definitely somebody here you're thinking of, but it looks like you both are not really in communication, or you're not really in touch with this person. You have, this person has a Four of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. So it could be that you had a relationship with this person in the past, or maybe this person, you met this person and it didn't work out because you are in a relationship maybe with somebody, or maybe they are in a relationship, but it looks like you both are separated. Even if you are not dating other people, or if you're not with other people, I see currently you and someone here who you're thinking of, there's a separation here. This person is in an energy of the Nine of Pentacles, which is somebody who's very independent. Okay, but there is a twin flame connection that I see here. This I see a strong connection and in a lot of passion and chemistry. Okay, now what is the current situation between the two of you? Yeah, King of Swords. There's a little bit of a detached energy here. Could be that you've met this person through your work, or maybe you met them through common friends. But it looks like right now you both are a bit detached from each other, very cold, a bit distant. Okay. Even if you do talk, it's mostly practical things. You could be working together with this person, Three of Pentacles, or you may have met this person, like I said, through common friends. Right now, this relationship feels like a baggage, a burden that you both are wanting to release. So, there's definitely some history here between you and this person. Okay, may not have been a full-blown relationship, but there was definitely chemistry, passion here. So let's look at what what is your feelings. What are your feelings for this person? How do you think and feel about this person? You have the Seven of Pentacles. Somewhere, Virgo, you're still waiting, hoping that maybe you both will reconnect, or maybe things will turn around for the two of you. Hierophant here. Again, I feel that somebody here in this relationship or in this connection is married, or in a long term relationship. This is somebody who is bound by traditions, and you're hoping that there's going to be a new beginning, a new start. You are attracted to this person. Okay, you may not really want a relationship, but you at least want to have that kind of friendship with this person. What about this person? How do they think and feel about you? This person is really passionate. King of Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person wants to come towards you. They have a lot of passion for you. Ten of Pentacles is here. Again, maybe this person could be married, or maybe they see you as somebody who's married, and they may want to not disrupt that in any way. They definitely want a new beginning, a new start. If you're not married, they do want to get married to you, and they want a new start, a new beginning, and they want to nurture this relationship. So let's see what is the block here. From your side, what is blocking you? Your block is the sun, that is Leo energy. Why is the sun the blockage? Queen of Wands is here. What is this about? Temperance. So your biggest block here, it seems to be uh, that there's some kind of a reality here about your situation. There's some kind of a reality check, like this, like I said, this relationship does seem very passionate, but somewhere it feels like it may not be really practical. Okay, you are driven by your passion, but at the same time you really need to pull yourself back and keep yourself in check in some way. You are aware of that situation. You know that maybe there may not be a future here. You're kind of even resisting reaching out to this person, or maybe overstepping the boundary. There is something that is holding you back. Okay, you're kind of feeling like you cannot cross that line, or there is something that you feel is blocking this relationship right now, and you may not be able to move forward. What about this person? What is their block? For that, this person, their block is the Five of Pentacles, feeling rejected, feeling left out, feeling like you may not accept them. They are at that crossroads, wondering what to do, how to take things forward, should I take things forward or not. So there's a lot of waiting on their energy, on their side. So let's see what is the action you're going to take towards this person in the future. In the future, you are going to reach out to them, Virgo. I see at least communication, maybe not, if not from your side, from their side, but it's going to happen very quickly. There's this impulsive energy, there's this rushing to tell this person how you feel, because I see that you are really wanting to tell them what is hidden. Okay, like you want to open up and tell them what you really feel, and you want to clear the air. What about this person? What action are they going to take towards you? They are going to be very romantic. I see they are going to be open about their feelings for you. And yeah, there's a lot of love here, there's a lot of mutual love here. So what is the outcome here? What is the outcome going to be in this connection? The outcome is the Four of Cups. Why is the Four of Cups the outcome? High Priestess. So the problem here is that something is hidden. Okay, it feels like a secret. It feels like something that you both are trying to hide. Okay, not being open about this relationship. You can't be open. Feels like you have to keep this under wraps. And because of that, there's this energy of losing interest, because there's no future to this. Like I said, maybe this is more in the lines of a casual relationship, but even then I see this may not go too far, because there is no future here. So you both are trying to right now tame your inner impulses, because you know that if you cross that line, then it will be very difficult to pull back. But I do see that you both may take a chance with this relationship. Although there's a lot of conflict here, like I said, one of you or maybe both of you are married or have have partners. But I see that there is going to be at least some kind of a communication or discussion about this, and maybe you both may want to try and figure out how this goes in the future. I see Seven of Swords under the deck. So definitely this is some kind of forbidden love. Okay, some kind of something that you both know may not last for too long, but at the same time you both want to see where this goes. So let's see what is this person trying to tell you. What messages do we have from this person? I remember every detail of that day. So this person is thinking about some particular day, maybe the day you met or had a talk, or maybe some kind of special day that you both had, some special moment. My life is not as together as it seems. So yeah, this person is definitely trying to figure things out, and no matter how calm and collected they look, they are not really, going through a good time. So many things remind me of you, so definitely they think about you. um, I left when I saw you with someone. So again, I feel there is definitely some other person involved. Like either, like I said, you are with somebody, they are with someone, or maybe you have a partner, you're married. I hope that you can forgive me one day. So these are the messages I have from this person. I can't stop thinking about you. I'm not available. So yeah, this is what I have for you, Virgo. I hope this helps and resonates with you. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. You can reach out to me on my email ID or my website. Details are on the screen and in the description box. Check it out there. And do leave a comment, and I will be back with another reading. Till then, take care and all the best.